Who's ready for dinner? Gonna make some pepperoni pizza sloppy joes tonight. And this is what we're gonna need. We're going to need 15 ounces of pepperoni, a tablespoon or a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 can of 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 8 ounces of canned tomato sauce, some buns, and mozzarella cheese. Of course, we need 2 pounds of hamburger meat as well. So, we will get the hamburger meat going now. For browning ground beef, you want to set it for medium-high in a preheated pan and let it sit for 5 minutes before you flip it over. Once you flip it over, you let it sit for a couple more minutes with the seasoning added after. That way it's nicely browned, easily to break up. After the initial 5 minutes of it not just sit in there, this is where you will add the teaspoon of salt, pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And then you'll let it sit for another 2 minutes so that it can finish cooking. Once you've drained the ground beef, this is where you will add the tomato paste, the tomato sauce, the pepperoni, the Italian seasoning, and set the timer for 5 to 7 minutes so that it can simmer. You can add as much or as little pepperoni as you'd like. Once this comes up to a little simmer, we will set the timer for 5 to 7 minutes so that it will finish warming up and heating through. At which point you can then add this to on toast for sloppy joes, over potatoes for sloppy joe potatoes. The options are unlimited.